Mr. Arun Jaitley's budget for 2015-16 has really been an excellent budget, if I may say so, in the circumstances with fiscal constraints and the legacy he had inherited. An outstanding budget. I hear some opposition people saying, and that is understandable, that it's a pro-corporate, pro-rich budget and not for the people of India. I beg to differ, and in all humility I would like to say this is a budget for India, for the citizens of India, for growth, for keeping inflation under control and fiscal deficit under control, for providing employment, for encouraging savings and investment. To the extent a budget can do this. You can't create infrastructure and power projects overnight. You can't build roads in one day. So investment from domestic or foreign investors will come gradually because ease of business has not become excellent overnight. But what a budget can do, this budget has done in a large measure. Perhaps, he didn't talk about labor reforms because I think unions would have really shouted about it, and hopefully the states can do that. Similarly, disinvestment, I think, for 2015-16, I'm not sure. Because in the budget speech, I don't think he mentioned a figure, but maybe 70,000 crore somebody mentioned to me is the figure. But I would have liked the disinvestment figure because privatization is not being done. That again has political constraints. But forget strategic companies. So, where necessary, Air India, some banks, public sector banks, but at least disinvestment should be done. And why not? The stock market is good. 12 months are available to us. Why not 150,000 crores, 1.5 lakh crores worth of disinvestment, and that will raise additional revenue apart from through auctions, whether it's spectrum, coal mines, iron ore, etc., etc. So in totality, a very good budget after quite a few years, and my congratulations to the Finance Minister. Thank you.